From a fatal Atlanta freeway chase
Start EMS. 1050 overturn EMS, please.
to a female car thief ejected during an Arkansas pit maneuver, these are some of the craziest pursuits caught on dashcam. A routine patrol quickly turned into something serious. Officers noticed a silver Ford Focus weaving through traffic, changing lanes without signaling, and following too closely.
Lane change erratic. HOV lane. Ready to maintain.
As the Focus tried to get away, it didn't make things easy for anyone. The driver kept swerving across lanes, hopping in and out of the HOV lane without a passenger, and pushing the speed over 100 miles per hour.
Alright, it's gonna be approaching. Yeah, 120. He's probably gonna take Cleveland Avenue. He's coming in hot. Be careful. Nope, he's gonna come on. He took lane break. Alright, 1050 overturn, start EMS. 1050 overturn EMS, please.
Clear 1050.
75 northbound, ramp to 166. Ramp to 166, I'm gonna shut it down.
The chase didn't last much longer. Approaching Georgia 166, the driver lost control during a high-speed lane change. The car hit an embankment and overturned. A serious crash that left the driver fatally injured. From a night out at the Oyster Pub and Grill in Dalton, Georgia, a silver BMW 535. It leaves the bar around 2:30 in the morning. Officers notice the car has no insurance and made a bad turn. When lights flash, the driver doesn't stop. Instead, he hits the northbound ramp onto I-75 and speeds away. This time, the maneuver works. The BMW spins, hits a guardrail, goes through it, and flips. The driver is ejected from the car. Medical help arrives quickly, but there are no signs of life. The crash ends the chase, leaving behind a badly damaged vehicle and a tragic outcome. Brantley County, Georgia, early in the morning on July 3rd, 2024. A blue motorcycle is spotted heading north on State Route 23. The bike is clearly moving faster than the speed limit, and the officer notices the plate is tucked under the back, barely visible.
Coming back into the city. It's gonna be occupied, one white male, on a blue motorcycle, black shirt. We're coming in the city limits now.
The motorcycle speeds north, pushing past other vehicles and weaving aggressively, even cutting close to a tractor trailer as it passes.
I keep you updated. He ain't getting too far. Coming up on 520. He's about to run the red light. Just ran the red light. Clear, clear. Street. Alright, he just laid it down, 1050. He just got ejected, 1050, 1050. Go ahead and get EMS to me. Oh, Waycross, he's gonna be decapitated. His head is decapitated. Go ahead, send me everybody you got.
569 is clear. I'm 1076. I'll notify 019.
The rider is thrown hard across Burton Street into a barrier at the post office parking lot. The crash is fatal. Emergency crews arrive, the scene is secured, and investigators take over. A cell phone is found nearby, ringing, loved ones are contacted, and the motorcycle is removed. Bryan County, Georgia, early morning. Deputies spot a white BMW M3 going way over the speed limit, 72 in a 45. When they signal for the car to stop, the driver doesn't even slow down. He takes off westbound on Highway 144, and it's clear this is going to be serious.
1050, two vehicles. Get GSP en route. I need fire. I need fire.
The GSP accident reconstruction team processes the scene. The crash ends with the driver deceased and one civilian injured. The investigation is closed due to the fatality. The damaged vehicles are removed and the roadways cleared.
You need to slow down before you get to the corner. We are turning traffic around.
This happened in Little Rock, Arkansas, on October 24th, just after 1 p.m. A green Jeep Gladiator had just been reported stolen from a hospital near I-630. Officers were tracking it and were told the driver might be armed. And it's clear from the start she wasn't planning to stop.
I'm not far from it.
72, myself and 48 are passing the shell. Coming into Great County now.
Yeah, I think I got eyes on it.
72, did you hear they supposed to be a firearm in their back seat? Yep.
Rock, I'm behind me. Coming up on Grand 57 Road. Arkansas, Adam Victor Union, 63 Charles, ABU 636. Right, 63.
The Jeep is moving fast, hitting around 85 in a 60 miles per hour zone. When the officer caught up and turned on lights and siren, the driver shook her head no and moved into the faster lane, clearly refusing to pull over.
Right now it's going to be 1063.
A6, 10-4.
I'll be 1037.
134.
TBI. Roll over. Roll over. Start 1016.
Ten four.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Little Rock, driver was ejected.
Flood survived and will face multiple charges, including fleeing, theft of a firearm, reckless driving, and driving on a suspended license. The stolen Jeep and firearm were recovered and returned to their owner. The officer's patrol vehicle did sustain damage to the front bumper and quarter panel during the incident.
Yeah, it's a stolen vehicle. I appreciate it.
Oh, it is? Okay. Well, that explains why it's not there for the other person.
Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me?